the Graduate Hotel in Lincoln. This place is really 70s. Look at the pool that has the turf. That's funny. Anyway. Got Otis. Oh, the phone is upside down. Nice. Let's get a view. Look at this place. This is very retro. You know, I'll get a look at the guest floor quickly. This is a very retro looking hotel. Yeah, look at that. Okay, we'll get a quick view out the window and then we'll head back down. Much as we can. Nice. Oh, it goes past the elevator shafts. Wow. A little dirty there, huh? Low ceilings, too. Same cabin. Basement.
Going down?
Yeah. This is for a project.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you're good. I've seen a lot of weird stuff on the elevators, don't worry.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too, man.
Now I'm kind of curious what he meant when he said I've seen weirder stuff. If I wasn't filming, I would have asked him. Anyway, there go the elevators. There's one back there. I'll see what that is. Maybe it's like a lobby car. I don't know. Anyway, that's it.